Good morning. I'm Greg Harmon, and this is your Daily Five. For those that don't know me, I'm the founder and president of Dragonfly Capital Management. Dragonfly Capital Management runs a subscription newsletter that looks to teach retail investors how to trade options and stocks in their own accounts from a technical perspective, as well as Dragonfly Capital Managed Accounts, managing money for external clients using the same techniques. Today, I want to talk a little bit about what's going on in the market and this impression that maybe the market is ready to top that I'm starting to hear from some people, despite the fact that breadth is very strong and we're trading the indexes at all-time highs. So the question is, down below the surface, are stocks really going to the dogs? And I'm going to suggest that yes, that is the case, but not how you might think. More that stocks are going to this type of dog. This is my new puppy, Winnie, a mini golden doodle, about 6 months old now, our pandemic puppy. And I think Winnie and pandemic puppies have been really prevalent throughout the United States since March. See more and more people out walking their dogs, and they're all little puppies when we're walking around every day now. So what's the implication of having a pandemic puppy and everybody going and buying a pandemic puppy? I'll argue that it's the growth in puppy-related services. So my 5 charts today are all related to servicing your pets. The first one, Phibro Animal Health. This is a health and nutrition products company, mainly feeding livestock based in New Jersey. And you can see by this chart, it has already started coming out of a rounding bottom, broke out of some short-term resistance over the last 2 weeks. We've got Bollinger Bands expanding, which is a great thing for the stock price to ride up higher. We've got a MACD that's crossed to the upside. It's positive. That's adding to momentum. And we've got the RSI trading up here near the overbought levels, but not really steeply rising. So it's strong momentum, strong positive momentum, but not getting overheated. So this is a good one to take a look at adding to your portfolio. Man, these things are running around here today. Second one I have for you is Zoetis. Zoetis has been around a bit longer. Also from New Jersey, creates medicines and vaccines for your pet. And what I like about Zoetis here is that even though it's been in a kind of flat holding pattern, the latest pullback back here close to the 200-day moving average, and then the thrust forward. The thrust coming with the Bollinger Band starting to open again. We also see that as this is happening, the RSI is making a higher high. That's a positive as well. We've got the MACD cross down here, positive for momentum. Not quite above the 0 level yet, but still doing well. So that's our second look. Third one, Covetrus. This company makes vet supplies and does tech services. So it's like a back office help for the veterinary industry. And you can see lower left to upper right this whole time frame over the last 6 months. The latest pullback to the 20-day moving average, with a pullback in the RSI sticking at the midline, a pullback in the MACD, turning over, remaining in positive territory. We've got the MACD cross here, so we're building momentum again. We've got momentum building in the RSI as well. And we got price back here testing the all-time highs as the Bollinger Bands are starting to shift higher. So a third positive pet health stock. The fourth one, PetIQ. So this is Idaho-based, makes pet medicines. It also makes pet supplies. It runs the store PetIQ. You can see that you may not be as excited about it as it's been in a kind of a bull flag, but expanding a little bit. But we have had a strong run higher since November, some consolidation here, and we're starting to see the MACD crossing up. Momentum is from the RSI is still in the positive zone. It's still a positive addition to the stock price. So maybe this is the sleeper that if we can get a price move over 37.25, is the time to pick this one up. So I don't want to give you the impression that all pet healthcare stocks are what we should focus on in this environment. Because, once you take your pet to the vet, you feel bad for them. You feel like they've been poked and prodded or whatever. So it's time to reward them afterwards too. So the final one that I have for you today is Chewy. Chewy, the retail brand, based in Florida, everything online. If you walk down your street and don't see 3 or 4 Chewy boxes for deliveries on people's front porches, I would be surprised. This stock has been consolidating under resistance at about 115 since close to the start of the year, early January. And this chart closed and shows price action up until last night. So up until the end of day, February 11th. As I'm speaking right now, Chewy is breaking out and it's trading up at about 117. So we've got the breakout already and the trigger over 115. We're also seeing the MACD cross up now and the RSI is starting to lift. So Chewy, I think this is a pure genius chart with the simple moving averages moving up almost directly parallel to each other. So that's my daily 5. Hug your pet, take it for a walk, enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching.
Hey, Grayson Rose here with StockCharts. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, consider giving it a like down below, maybe leave us a comment, and if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe at the link up above. We're gonna bring you daily content from an incredible collection of technical analysts and financial experts.